Hello there. My name is James Kenneth. You're welcome to St.JamesCrypto. Now, let me put this question out to you, viewers out there. Let's say you could invest earlier in Bitcoin when it was below $1, or you could invest in Ethereum when it was below $1, or you could invest in Solana when it was somewhere in a fraction of a cent, or you could invest in um XRP when it was still having some, it was below $1. So now these are the type of projects that I would want people to actually see out there and invest their money because on the long run, let's say between now and less than a decade to come, let's say between now and 5 years time, you might see a project like this skyrocket. Yes, it is no other than the crypto that we are talking about today. Some dudes might have found this project quite interesting and they might have known about it. But to you out there, now this is the kind of project that you want to invest your money into. I can bet on it. Okay. Although what I say on this channel is not financial advice, do your own diligence. You can make some deep research before you invest into um, cryptocurrencies like this that I will be talking about now. Now, of course, some of you might have known already. Now, this project is called, of course, zebec. Now, or sometimes you might find it at ZBCN. It's the same thing. Now, this project has a fantastic use case that is real world use case. Now, this project has what it takes to make that 50x, 100x, even 1,000x in the nearest future. Of course, because it is built on Web3 and it is built to make payroll, um, um, facilitate payroll and to improve payments between workers and companies or big enterprises can actually adopt this kind of project. So you might want to give it a try because these are the type of cryptos that I compare them to the Solana, the XRP, the Ethereum, the Bitcoin of, you know, years ago, that have, they've done and they've proven to be very, very monumental in the crypto space today. So let's say today you can invest $100. I think zebec today is below a fraction of a cent. The price is sitting right now between 0.003 and 0.004. And looking at what we are having today, of course, today being the 25th of August of July, I beg your pardon, we can see today that the crypto market, though, is having some bit of correction, I would say. Some people say crash, but I don't believe it's a crash. I believe is experiencing some correction. But all through the crypto market, ZBCrypto is one of those that is picking up momentum gradually. If you look at some of the crypto, the according to Coin Market Cap, zebec is one of them that is holding up. So why is this crypto so fundamental? Now, they have some big collaborations with payment companies like MasterCard. Now, MasterCard is one of the biggest, payment infrastructure globally. I mean, so you could imagine if you were told that a lot of company will be adopting Ethereum, will be using it, they will use uh, their their network, and they will be using some of their technology. A lot of you back then would have bought Ethereum when it was below even $500. What am I saying? When it was below $10, or when it was below, just coming up, a lot of people would have, in fact, put all their retirement assets into Ethereum. So, but right now we're having a kind of similar opportunity. So I think the people today that will be able to see such a project, that will be able to see such an opportunity to invest in crypto like this. Now, this is no scam. Now, I come from a country where under even I'm okay, I might be wrong, or not 100% of people think crypto is a scam, but in Nigeria, a lot of people take crypto to be a scam, and that is so saddening. Now, even here in Germany, where I currently base, a lot of people see crypto as a scam. Yeah, I mean, Germans, these are Germans. So, of course, and we understand that crypto doesn't really have the kind of exposure globally that it's supposed to have, because a lot of people, they've not really understand it. And looking at what is happening today, the dynamics in crypto, we understand that crypto is going to the next level. And projects like this, like ZBCN, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, they are setting up the pace. You not even mention Bitcoin, that is now one of the country reserve for some state, like the United States, like El Salvador, Brazil, all across the globe. I mean, one day people will realize that, wow, am I really been missing? Because if you have some chunk of money sitting right there in your bank account, I believe it is a time for you to make deep research, look at some of the things that some of the crypto that would be, of course, the real world assets today, that they have good project that you could invest in, because you might just be investing in your future. Now, just like XRP, ZBCN is making that, I would say, international breakthrough in different projects, and they have some major partnership coming up. And we're going to see through this bull run, we've not even started the bull run according to okay, my point of view. We've not even started and seen what this bull run, where it will lead to, because the major part of the bull run has not even peaked yet. So looking at what we would see, let's say between now and the end of the year, let's say August is a great month, I believe. September, fantastic, I believe. So this bull run, according to some analysts, it might peak between September and October, or towards the end of the year. Some projects might even peak, by in December. But have this at the back of your mind. Reward project like this, like ZBCN, like XRP, like Ethereum started taking off some couple of weeks ago. We've seen what it's doing. Bitcoin, since last year, it has been moving its pace, and Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So that means the altcoin season is upon us. And after the altcoin season, I believe the meme coin will do their thing. So besides the meme coin, I believe project like ZBCN, project like Solana, we're yet to see Solana, we're yet to see Cardano, we're yet to see like monumental run in XRP. So I believe these cryptos will do substantially well. So if you're looking out there for some real projects, some real investment opportunities, I believe ZBCN, it has what it takes to move in this bull run. So what am I expecting for ZBCN at the end of the cycle? Let's say by December when it peaks. I'm looking at I'm not too greedy. Yeah, I have some couple of hundreds of euros invested in ZBTN, and so I'm expecting it to go somewhere between $1 to $2. Yeah, I mean it could do more. Yeah, so but take these opportunities. Yeah, at St.JamesCrypto, I try to look at one of the crypto opportunities and bring the information to you out there. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day and bye bye.